Dit liedje was van een man met mooie rode krullen. Nu zijn ze grijs volgens mij. En hij was van Manchester. En vanavond met echte drums, hè. En alles door we eraan nu de akoestische versie. De kampvuurversie. Oké, here we go. I've been laid up from work, my rent is due. My kids all need brand new shoes. So I went to the bank to see what they could do. They said, son, look like Matt Stark got a hold on you. Money's too tight to mention. Miss Lara, dames en heren. Can't get an unemployment extension. Money's too tight to mention. Oh, money, 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 money. So I went to my brother to see what he could do. He said, brother, I'd like to help you, but I'm unable to. So I went to my father, almighty father. You know what he said? He said, money's too tight to mention. I can't get an unemployment extension in my pension. And money's too tight to mention. Oh, money, 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 money. We're talking about the Reaganomics. Oh, Lord, down in the Congress. They're passing all kinds of bills from down on Capitol Hill. Money's too tight to mention. Oh, money, 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 money. Money's too tight to mention. Oh, money, money, money. Break it down, break it down, break it down. We're talking about money, money. 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 Did the earth move for your mention? Did the earth move for your mention? Did the earth move for your money, 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 money? We're talking about the Reaganomics. Oh, down in the Congress. They're passing all kinds of bills. And an old man that's over the hill, Frankie Stucker on the guitar. Dank jullie wel.
We are young. Heartache to heartache we stand. No promises and no demands. 'Cause love is a battlefield. Whoa, 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 whoa. We are strong. No one can tell us we're wrong. Set in our hearts for so long. Both of us know it. Love is a battlefield. You're begging me to go, then making me stay. Why do you hurt me so bad? Would it help you to know that I stand in your way? Or am I the best thing you've ever had? Believe me, I can't tell you why.
heel lief aankijk. En dat doe ik nu. Doet zij zelfs, dat kan zij heel goed, het dansje uit de clip. Weet jullie nog hoe Pat Benatar danste?
Het was een hele mooie clip
Dames, jullie mogen meedansen als jullie willen.
met heel veel vrouwen.
Yeah.
We are young, heel goed, heel goed. Heartache to heartache, we stand. No promises, no demands. 'Cause love is a battlefield. Whoa, 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 whoa. We are strong. No one can tell us we're wrong. Touching our hearts for so long, both of us knowing love is a battlefield. Nou, dans maar lekker mee hoor. One, two, three, go! I was dreaming when I wrote this. Forgive me if it goes astray.
When I woke up this morning, and Lord, I was already away. The sky was all purple and with people running everywhere. Try to run from my destruction, you know I didn't even care. 'Cause they say 2000 party over, oops, out of time. So tonight I'm gonna party like it's 1999.
I was dreaming when I wrote this, so sue me if it goes too fast.
Life is just a party, and parties for a man to last. The fucking war is all around us, my mind says prepare to fight. So if I gotta die, I'm gonna listen to my body tonight. Yeah, yeah, 'cause they say 2000 party over, oops, out of time. Ow! So tonight I'm gonna party like it's 1999. 'Cause they say 2000 party over, oops, out of time. So tonight I'm gonna party like it's 1999. 1999. 1999. 1999. So if you didn't come to party, don't bother knocking at my door. I got a line in my pocket, and baby it's ready to roll. Yeah. Oh, everybody's got a bump, we can all die any day. But before I let that happen, I'll just find a love 1999. Don't you wanna go? 1999. I don't wanna die. I wanna dance my life away. Listen to me, buddy. Everybody, everybody say party.